Everyone, I just wanted to do a quick video. I've had this box for a while. I haven't been feeling very well. This is my May 2019 Jimmy Bean Wools Club crochet box. This is the second part to the crochet bag. This is what we've received. Nothing else in the box. Sorry for the shaky camera. Wow, that is a nice, stunning color. Okay, let's see if we can get this open. Just dump everything. Okay, let's get this out of the way. I'll show part of it. This is the project bag. Okay, it came with handmade Lacy Midnight Girl. Now this is the hand cream, I'm guessing. I really don't use these or pay attention to them. I just kind of pile them up. And this looks like little tabs. Okay, could use those. And here is the yarn. Very, very pretty. Doesn't feel as thick as last month's because there's less yardage. Let's see what it says. So we have the same type of cotton, 70% Pima cotton, 30% linen, 145 yards. This is the Sugar Bush Cabot in mango. Alright, yeah, that is very pretty. Let's see if we can get a better view of this. That is very nice. It feels very soft. I really, really like it. I really think this is just too nice of a cotton for a market bag. But I will use the bag for something. But just not taking it to the market, I guess. Alright, if you like the video, like the video. Thank you for watching. And please subscribe. Bye.